He said I could do Tikal. He said I could do Tikal. Whoever don't know it, y'all gotta play, y'all gotta sing it to them. Word up. What up, Ghost?
He knows meth. He knows meth real good. So what you, nobody don't know Old Dirty?
Who know Old Dirty verse?
He got it.
Bring him up here. Get him up here. He said he could do Deck. I could do Deck. He said I could do Deck. That's what's up. That's what's up. Be honest with yourself. So yo, you know meth shit, right? You know meth shit, right? Method Man's. Bang. He said I know meth.
He got meth.
Fuck it, let both of them have meth.
We need Dirty, man.
Hey, yo.
Aja, you know what? You got it? Come here, bro. Come on, bro.
I want a female.
Hold on, you can chill right there. You got a nice shirt on, you can chill right there.
Yeah. Hold on.
I said, yo, he got dirt. He got dirt.
So, yo, we gonna do this shit seriously. Oh, shit. Breakdance came right there. That's right. Get your breakdance on. That's one of the elements of hip hop.
We gonna do different. Listen, we gonna do.
What we gonna do?
He gonna do Deck. He gonna do meth. He gonna do dirt.
Oh, nah, get
do it this way. So yo, listen.
It's your night.
Listen. The object of this shit right now, it's like when they doing this shit and they getting it right, I need you to go crazy for them because it takes a lot of balls to come up on stage and to sing a motherfucking song.
That's right.
You see it?
Some of the bravest.
So, if they doing it correct, I need you to go crazy. But if they fucking up and they not doing it right, I give you permission to pull them off the stage. So yo, man, this is your country, this is your city. Do not
fuck up.
They got them. Y'all know the faces.
Yeah, so yo.
All right.
This is the song.
If you ready, say hell yeah. Hell yeah. You know what? Yeah, we gonna get this song. I'm gonna get you on this mic right here. You gonna What's your name, man? What's your name? Heavy D? Name is Derek though, they call him Heavy D. What's up, baby?
That's what's up.
Cool money? Alright, cool money in the men. What's up, bro? What's up? Look. Alright, Trailer Park Boys? Trailer Park Boys.
Okay.
Trailer Park Boys, yeah, baby.
So yo.
Alright, yo, listen. Is y'all ready? Say hell yeah! Hell yeah! Drop the beat, baby.
Wu-Tang Clan coming at y'all. Protecting that kid. There's a 7-0. Yo, the Inspectah Deck. Raise up. Troops in Pakistan. Like an eagle, let's slide on me. Keep ticking. All the shit that I'm kicking. Yo, red, danger. Beat in the block with the arm. Handle, up the handle, you battle. Take the ball. Walk back. That's the rebel. The way you make the rap.
as well, so fuck you. Not long is how long that this rap took me. Ejected, styles from my lethal weapon. My pit, the rocks from here to Oregon. It's war again, catch it like a psycho flashback. I love the gas, problems and gun. You like bust back. I go with shit in all types of shapes and sounds. And we're around lounges and stomping grounds. I gave an order to my peeps across the water. They go and snatch up props all around the border and get far like a shooting star. Cause who I are, living on life. I'm Pablo Escobar, point blank as I kick the scribbers. There it is, you're fucking with pros and there it goes. Shit.
Love is oh shit. Battle.
Respect.
Yeah, I respect that.
Yeah!
I respect that.
Yeah, take a picture, nigga!
This shit is real.
Yeah! Make some noise for these motherfuckers out here tonight!